Here in Buffalo, New York, after this snowstorm, you could definitely use a snowblower with all this around us. It's a kind of technology that's been around in one way or another since the 1870s, and it is due for an update. This is Kathy Zhang, and
Hi.
You're with the team who invented
Yes.
the what?
The snowbot.
The snowbot.
Yes.
Yeah, how does it work? Tell me about the snowbot.
So basically, it's like a snow blower.
Yes.
So it will automatically go by itself. And
So
then,
nobody has to drive this. You just set it up on your driveway.
Yeah. So yes, you just use the app and then just set up use 3 beacons, and then it will follow the beacons and then just follow the patterns on your phone, and then it just make it by itself.
Just like the Roomba, it knows where the edges of the room is, and it can actually see where the driveway ends and starts.
Yes, it is.
So once you get this going, and this is a beta test, this is your first test in the U.S. for this device, and you're kind of on a snow tour of the U.S. doing this. You'll be here in Buffalo. You'll be going over to Columbus, Ohio to try this out as well. What have you been seeing in the real world versus what you've seen on your computer simulations for this?
It's really different because different the weather. It's heavy snow right now, so it's just you have to test it, make sure that it works, it functions well. So when it's on the computer, we have to we have theory, but right now we have to test it in the field.
Quickly tell me about the safety of this. It is a robot with spinning blades that's in your yard.
Yeah. So the first safety, we have the lasers on the top of that one beacon.
Yes.
And then when you get closer, it has the sensor, and then it just stops by itself. And then when we move out, it will run it back again.
So this is the snowbot. When it gets to market, you're looking to sell this to homeowners for what, $4,000 to $5,000 or so?
It's selling price around $3,000 to $4,000.
$3,000 to $4,000.
Yes, because in the future we have the wireless charger that will be around $1,000. So it's really different than this one. So this is beta. So future is different.
So and the prices will come down as the time goes on. So this is the snowbot. It's kind of cute, and it goes on your yard.
Yeah.
And it stops people from getting out of breath and shoveling the snow.
Yeah.
You can just sit down. You can have a cappuccino inside the house all nice and toasty, and this thing can do its work.
Yeah, so just let it work by itself, so don't worry about it, and then let it go.
The snowbot, thank you so much, Kathy, is in beta testing right now. They expect it to be out later this year, and this is how the future is going to look. The Internet of Things, the internet-connected smart device that really helps you get out of a snowstorm. In downtown Buffalo, New York, I'm Dave Malkoff, the Weather Channel.
Buffalo, one of those spots seeing big snowfall from Winter Storm Izzy. But as we say goodbye to Winter Storm Izzy, we have to start paying attention to this week.